How to unlock Facebook account. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to unlock your Facebook account. So let's get started. You can open up your Facebook on your mobile phone or your laptop or PC, and this is where you will get. You can see that now we can lock our account on Facebook, and it completely locks our account for strangers, and they cannot actually check out any of our information. Let's say you want to unlock your account. How to do that? You can simply go to your profile. So you just have to open up your profile on Facebook. This is where you will get, and you can see we have our details, and then we have these three dots here. Click on these three dots. Here we have some of the options, and the last option is going to be unlock profile. So if you have locked your profile and you want to unlock it, you will just click on unlock, and your profile will be unlocked from Facebook. And then you will be able to edit some of the settings, and your account will be unlocked and available. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.